Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll explore two methods to check if a cell contains certain text. We'll start by using a formula based on the if and search functions, followed by implementing a VBA code solution. Let's delve into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize a formula combining the if and search functions. This approach allows us to dynamically check if a cell contains specific text and return a result based on the condition. In the cell where you want the result, enter the formula. Equals if, is number, search, ABC, A4, yes, no. Replace, ABC, with the text you want to check for. Replace, A4, with the cell reference containing the text to be searched. Press enter to execute the formula and see the result. You can see that the cell containing the formula displays, yes, or no, based on whether the specified text is found in the target cell. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using VBA code to check if a cell contains certain text. This approach provides a programmatic solution for more complex scenarios and offers greater flexibility in handling the task. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This will create a new module in the project. Copy the provided VBA code. Paste the code into the newly created module in the VBA editor window. Close the VBA editor window by clicking the Close button, X, or pressing Alt plus Q. Return to your Excel worksheet. In any cell, enter the following formula. Equals check if contains text, A4, ABC. Replace, A4, with the cell reference containing the text to be searched. Replace, ABC, with the text you want to check for. The function returns true if the specified text is found in the cell and false otherwise. It uses the instr function to perform a case-insensitive search for the text within the cell's value. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to check if a cell contains certain text in Excel using both formulas and VBA code, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.